A region restriction in Rewarded Play is usually based on your account and location settings, so reinstalling the app alone normally won't remove the restriction. By the end of this video, you'll know why the app may be region locked, what you can check on your device, and what to do if you believe the restriction is a mistake. Start by confirming that Rewarded Play is officially available in your current country or region. If the service isn't supported where you're located, some features may be unavailable, or the app may prevent you from signing in altogether. Next, verify that your device's location, date, and time settings are correct. Set the date and time to update automatically, then make sure your device is using the correct region settings. Incorrect system information can sometimes interfere with location verification. Now check for app updates in your device's app store. Running the latest version helps eliminate compatibility issues that could affect account verification or regional availability. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or any service that changes your apparent location, disconnect it before opening Rewarded Play again. These services can interfere with the app's ability to verify where you're actually using the app and may trigger location-related restrictions. After that, completely close Rewarded Play and restart your device. Once your phone restarts, reconnect to a stable internet connection and open the app again. This gives the app a fresh opportunity to verify your account and location. If you recently traveled to another country or changed your Google account region, the app may require time to recognize those changes. In that case, avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app or creating another account, since those steps usually don't resolve regional verification issues. If you're certain Rewarded Play is supported in your location and the region lock still appears, contact Rewarded Play support. Include your account email, your current country, your device model, and screenshots of any region-related error messages. Clear information helps the support team determine whether the restriction is expected or the result of an account issue. While waiting for a reply, avoid using workarounds that disguise your location. If the app requires your real region for verification, changing your connection repeatedly can make troubleshooting more difficult. The key points are simple. Confirm the app is supported in your country, use accurate device settings, disable any VPN or proxy, update the app, and contact support if the restriction continues even though your region should be supported. Your next step is to review your location settings and verify that your account information matches your current region before reaching out to support. If this guide helped you troubleshoot the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.